we're talking about the fog this morning. We've been showing you those TranStar shots. We've got that fog not just confined to our coastal communities, but also inland areas. Coming up, we'll not just talk about the fog, how long it sticks around, but also the rain chances ramping up with our next cold front set to arrive on Wednesday. All of that coming up with your 10-day forecast.
I just love these little drawings. I know you do too.
I do. And you know, one of the drawings that we haven't seen a whole lot of is dense fog. So
hard to draw.
It is, you know. So for those of you that are wanting to do something a little bit different, how about some dense fog?
Alita's calling for it.
Over a bayou.
See what kind of creative fog photos we get.
I'm putting it out there. I'm putting it out there because this is the season. You have those cool shelf waters. Then you've got that warm, humid air mass going over the cool shelf waters. And you got that fog developing. It's just a fog machine, and you can see that the fog is expanded not just along our coastal communities but further inland. So we've got the worst visibility right now centered over Interstate I-10, along I-45, along the Gulf Freeway, and then all the way up toward Brenham this morning. Those visibilities reduced to near zero right now around the KD Freeway, so be prepared to slow down. I know sometimes it's hard to see some of those exits, especially since these dense fog advisories are lasting beyond the school time, early morning hours until about 9 o'clock, especially in those school and bus zones. Make sure you put those phones down and have those low beams on if they don't automatically already come on with your car. So out the door this morning, that low ceiling of clouds, as I mentioned, could play a part in slowing you down. Temperature-wise, in the upper 60s. It is warm, it is humid. I know many of you have replaced the heaters for the AC the last couple of days with those temperature readings in the upper 70s to low 80s during the afternoon. And the mornings, I mean, it's not much better. I know I turned on my AC this morning. It was definitely on the sticky side. Mid to upper 60s will warm in the upper 70s to low 80s. We will not catch a break with these unseasonably warm conditions until the middle of the week, until Wednesday. So Tuesday morning, we'll be on the lookout for some of that fog, that sea fog to spread inland, and those temperature readings will remain into the mid 60s. Once the cold front blows through, we've got some nice cool mornings ahead. In fact, we've got a reinforcement shot of some cooler weather. Another front moving in doesn't bring us any moisture, but it does bring us another shot of cooler, drier air. Enough so where the temperature readings on Sunday will be below 60 degrees. We'll only cool it or warm into the upper 50s. And then looking ahead to Christmas week, that's when we're going to get unseasonably warm again. So plenty of time to watch that weather pattern as it unfolds. Today, cold front that's situated to our north is going to get hung up there. Eventually, that'll be the cold front that swings through. It gets a push, if you will, to blow through the area sometime Wednesday afternoon. So until that front arrives to our area, we've got warm, humid conditions, that sea fog returning late tonight into tomorrow morning. In addition to that, we'll be tracking some isolated rain showers today and tomorrow. Not really a strong signal for any pop-up thunderstorms, but there could be a small window of opportunity late in the afternoon into the evening hours on Tuesday. And then come Wednesday, we're going to be watching a broken line of showers and storms arriving somewhere in the Brazos Valley. Right now, this is what the model is showing. Of course, this could change 48 hours out, but right now it looks like sometime in the morning and then during the afternoon between 2 to 3 p.m. If this timeline changes, I'll let you know, but between 2 to 3 p.m. reaching the Houston area, and then along the coastline between 5 to 6 p.m. So right as the sun goes down on Wednesday is when that front blows through. Those could still be some lingering pockets of rain late in the evening and while you're sleeping overnight Wednesday into Thursday, but I'll tell you what, first thing Thursday morning, goodbye sea fog, goodbye warm and sticky air, and goodbye clouds. We've got sunshine returning. Now you put it all together through Wednesday and we're talking maybe a half an inch of rain. Some strong winds will be blowing through the area as well by the middle of the week, all associated with that cool front, gusts between 25 to 30 miles per hour. And then here comes the sun, here comes the cooler weather, and then Christmas week, we're going to see that change. Could be a little bit warmer, could be a little bit more humid with a slight chance of some wet weather.
All right, thanks so much.